Thailand is also known as the land of smiles, just like Bacolod City. Thailand is home to the ultimate food destination, Bangkok. Bangkok, a travel hotspot in Asia, is known for its exotic cuisine that will surely satisfy your appetite. Chili peppers, fish sauce, lime leaves, shrimp paste, and sour fruits are some of the main ingredients found in Thai food. When in Bangkok, Thailand, your travel would not be complete without enjoying and savoring their authentic Thai food.